Yes.
Sir, you told that I will tell on Monday about lab manual.
Okay. Lab manual, it will take today as well. It will be told soon. Okay.
Excuse
Okay,
me,
sir.
sir.
Sir, how we will
Yes.
get lab manual?
See, you have
Sir,
got the lab
lockdown
manual.
now. Sir, lockdown
Okay.
now.
Okay, you haven't got the lab manual. Okay, I
We
see
got,
that one. Yes, those who have got, okay. So those students who haven't got, you have to find the way as well. Okay, let me discuss it with school. Okay. Like in old notebook or somewhere you can do and submit like that. Okay. Okay,
sir,
let
I
me
got it.
ask. Yes, but still there are students who haven't got the lab manual.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So that question number, that exercise 8B.
It's
Sir,
B.
one doubt only.
Yes. It's B. It was page number. Can you tell?
So page number 200.
200.
Sir.
Yes, good morning. You got late, Tamanna, today. 200 page number. Okay. Yes.
So question number 6.
Says explain why is the potential difference across the terminal of the cell more in an open circuit and reduced in the closed circuit. Okay. Okay. When it is open circuit, what this potential difference is called? Hmm? Anyone in class? When open,
EMF.
when that's EMF. Okay. Here we have discussed that when cell is open circuit, no current flows, so internal resistance won't play the part. There will be no internal resistance. So whatever potential difference available, that will be the EMF. Okay, and when it is okay closed circuit, in closed circuit current will flow, the internal resistance will play its part, and what that potential difference will be called
Terminal.
terminal voltage. Okay, can you get the answer now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now frame the answer accordingly. Okay, good. Keep going through the question answers. Those who ask the doubt, I think they are going through them. It's important, go through them all. If you face the doubt, do ask. Okay. In holidays, go through all the question answers. Okay. Okay. So we were discussing a force.
Sir,
So first you were yes.
sir, in the 8th and 9th question, they are asking for 2 resistors, and in the book it is given about 3 resistors.
200 page number. Eighth and ninth. How would you connect two resistors in series? Okay, you can draw that one. Yes or no?
So
Okay,
we
if I
can
give you
just
one.
skip the 3rd resistor.
Yes, that's all. So two resistors you can draw.
And
See
sir,
here. No. Parallel you can see here. Third A. Parallel you can see. Series, just connect one end to end. Okay, no question over there. You can connect that one. See here in figure it is given. 194, figure 8.20. That's in series. As well you can use, you can connect that one. Even if I give you 5 resistors, you can connect them in series or parallel. Yes or no?
okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so moment of force we are discussing. We first discuss the force when the force is applied. So there is a pivot and away from it, force is applied. Along it, force, the direction of force where it is applied, that we call as line of action, and it produces turning effect. The turning effect is called as moment of force or torque. This is clear. This is all we have discussed. Okay. Moment turning of force where this moment this depends on moment of force. It depends on magnitude of the force applied and the perpendicular distance of the line of action from the pivoted point. This is clear. This we have discussed. Clockwise, anti-clockwise we have discussed. Common examples we have to discuss. Okay. Okay. So for example, this is the door. Okay. Here are the hinges. These are the hinges. Okay. And this is the a free end, okay? And here, handle is being provided, okay? So how much force do you need to apply? Right, less force, you apply less force perpendicular. This is the maximum distance. Yes, maximum possible distance the handle is provided away from the hinges. Okay, so this is the pivot. For it, it will be acting the pivot, and this will be the perpendicular distance. Force applied, more the distance, less force you have to apply to open. You can see
Sir,
it
when
as
you
well.
will tell the lab manual?
Lab manual are to see 10th class. I haven't taken last year, so I
Sir,
don't
tell
have much
now.
idea. I have discussed with Chandrakala ma'am, and she is preparing. Okay, so she told for today as
Sir,
well.
when
that
we will get?
she will be preparing. Okay, so you will get today. Tomorrow you may get. Don't worry, it's
Sir,
our
on WhatsApp?
responsibility. See here, don't worry about that. Providing you the lab manual is our responsibility, not your tension. Okay. So be free
And
for
sir,
that.
doing is our responsibility.
Don't worry that will be provided on time, and any doubt it will be cleared as well. Okay.
Sir, give less work to do.
Okay, that I can't say as well. But most possible, which is in my hand, the most possible I will try to make it small. And me as well, Temkam as well, both will try to make it least possible. Okay. This is clear. D. Okay. So now if you try to open the door or close the door from the middle, you can see as well more force is required. As you move towards the hinge, to open the door or close the door, we require more force. Why? Why we require more force? Because distance is decreasing. And to turn it, we require a particular torque. Yes or no? At the hinge, will you be able to open the door if you apply force on the hinges? You won't be able to apply because the force is applied on the hinges. The perpendicular distance is 0. So torque or the turning effect or the moment of force will be 0. And because of that, door won't open. Understood this one? It will create no turning effect. It will create no turning effect because D is 0. So turning effect, moment of force, okay, or torque, it will be 0. It won't turn the door. This is clear. First example, it is given. So once the force is applied at P, maximum far away, little more force is required at Q, at R, that is at hinges, you won't be able to open because torque at that is 0. Torque will be 0. Understood? Okay, you have seen the circular stone, hand floor you have seen the hand floor grinder. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
In that you have
Yes, sir.
seen the handle. It is provided away from the pivot. At the rim it is provided, mainly at the end it is provided, the handle. Most possible away it is being provided. Again, to increase the turning effect. Okay. So that even a small force can produce a good turning effect. More the distance away from, more the turning effect. This is clear. And now steering wheel. Steering wheel as well. Here is the center. Used to turn it. So where do we apply force? Do we hold from the center and try to do it? No. You will require much force to turn it. But on the rim of the wheel, we used to provide the force. So for example, turning this side, we used to provide the force like this. Yes or no? For example, one hand only. This force. Turning this side, we'll try to force this side. Yes or no? So by changing just the point of application of the force, once applied in this direction, once the force applied in this direction, we can change the direction of the steering wheel or change the direction of the wheel. Understood this one? Or in the bicycle, you have seen on the front end. So on the front, we have the tooth wheel. Tooths are there. Next one, on the back, we have the smaller one. Okay, there is a chain to transfer the force. Okay, so you can see it's a bigger and a pedal. We apply force here, so you can see the distance. More the distance, even less force will make it move. And that force will make the wheel to move. Understood? Here as well, we have increased the distance. As we increase the distance, turning effect will be more. More turning effect will be, okay? You have seen bigger the cycle gets, this wheel as well get bigger. And this as well get bigger, so that not much efforts we have to make to move it. Understood this one? Okay, last is the spanner. Okay, you have seen the spanner? Yes or no? For example, this one. It is used to,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
it is used to turn the nuts. Okay,
Pana.
Pana, yes. So it is used to turn on okay, what should we call? Tightening or loosening the screw. Okay, nuts it is used to tighten or loosen the nuts.
Sir, you
Okay.
become mechanic.
I have all the tools, and you can use this one, bigger one, for bigger nuts, like more turning effect we want. Okay, if still we want more bigger, we'll go with this one. Yes or no?
Sir,
More
you
bigger?
become
Yes,
mechanic. Sir, now started mechanic work.
Yes.
Are sir,
So you can
doing practical.
you can see them. First was the smaller one. So distance, less torque it will create. As we require more bigger nut to turn, more force is required, and we go for a bigger spanner, or yes, bigger pana. Okay, bigger we go, more turning effect it will create, and we can lose them. This is clear. Okay. Next is the jack screw. You have seen the jack screw, and okay, to lift the cars. Yes or no? You have seen the jack screw, there are holes.
Yes,
We
sir.
used to insert a rod and then turn it.
Yeah.
Yes or no? We insert a rod, and then if this is the jack screw, we used to turn it like this. So more longer the rod, less force is required to turn it. Less force is required to turn the screw. So what we are doing, we are increasing the distance. See, our force is limited, but if we increase the distance, the turning effect will increase. The moment of force will increase, torque will increase, so it will turn easily. Understood this one? So from the above examples, what we can conclude? That turning effect does not depend only on the force, but it also depends on the distance.
Distance.
It depends on the perpendicular distance of the line of action for force from the pivoted point. Understood this one? So it depends on the line of action. How far is the line of action from the pivoted point? That is the perpendicular distance. This is clear? Okay.
Yes,
This is
sir.
clear. Just go through it once. Go through the ones from starting. If you have any doubt to ask, we are going to start couple now. Couple of forces.
Sir, what you are telling?
Go through it once, because we are going to start a couple. So where we will be having two forces. One is action, other is reaction, or two forces.
Excuse me,
somehow.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, why is the anti-clockwise direction taken as positive?
That is the convection we are making. Like for example, okay, if you are moving in this direction, we have taken as positive. If you are moving in this direction, we usually take it as negative, depending on the question. Similarly, we have made one convection that positive direction will be just anti-clockwise will always take positive, and okay, this is clockwise. Anti-clockwise will take positive, and clockwise will take negative. So that it becomes a kind of standard for all, and it will be easy to communicate. This is clear? Okay. So
Yes,
till
sir.
now, what we have discussed, moment of force we have discussed, and for example, we are having a body. Okay, moment of force. For example, this was the body, and here was the pivot point, and here was the force applied. Okay, this was the line of force, perpendicular distance. Okay, now see here, single force cannot rotate the body. This is clear. For example, no pivot is there. So if we force it, it will try to move in this direction. Forget about the friction and all. Okay, we require two forces to rotate. That is one force in the direction, other force in this direction. Then only it will rotate. Yes or no? So see here, when we are applying force here and we have the pivot here, this is the axis of rotation. So force here, reaction is being produced at the pivot point. A reaction force will be developed at the pivot point. Last year we have discussed the action and reaction. Yes or no? We have discussed the action and reaction.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
Yes, sir.
they act on two different bodies.
Yes, sir.
Newton's which law?
So third.
Third law or
Third.
fourth law? Fourth or fifth law? Third law. Okay. So here we apply the force. Here is the reaction. That is at the pivot point, reaction takes place. Reaction will be equal in magnitude, but opposite in direction. And they are not acting along the same line. Therefore, they don't cancel each other. Okay. So this direction and this direction it is acting. So because of this, it rotates. You can see the two forces. This is action force and this is the reaction force. This is the reaction force. Okay. It is like I'm producing here. It rotates. So there is a reaction in this direction, opposite direction. This is this direction. It is opposite direction. So there is a reaction. This is clear. Now, will there be torque here? There is a torque because there is a distance. What will be the torque here? Or the moment of force of the turning effect? That is 0 because the perpendicular distance of the reaction force is 0. It is at this point only. At the pivot only it is acting. This reaction force of turning effect created by this reactive force or reaction force is 0. Yes or no? No turning effect takes place here at the pivot point. Moment of force is 0. Turning effect is 0. That's why we have avoided that one. We haven't discussed that one because there is no turning effect produced by this reaction force. There is no turning effect produced by this reaction force. Therefore, we haven't discussed it till now. In turning effect, we don't require this one because it's 0. Turning effect is 0 by this reaction force. Therefore, turning effect, we don't consider reaction force. Okay, this is clear. So, this is called as couple because here
Yes, sir.
two forces are there. Okay, so pair of forces formed by the external force. So, which force are there? One is the external force. This is the force we have applied. This is the reaction force. So pair of forces formed by the external force and the reaction force. This pair is called as couple. This pair is called as couple. Or we can say two equal and opposite forces. Two equal and opposite forces. Are they acting on the same line of force? This is the same line of force. For example, one force, other force. They are acting on the same line of force. But here, same line of action. But here, these two forces are not acting along the same line of action. They are not. Its line of action is this one. Its line of action is this one. They are different. So, whenever two equal and opposite forces act, or whenever two equal forces not acting along the same line, forms a couple. And a couple is required for rotation, to produce the rotation. Okay, this is clear. So here as well, a couple is there, external force and the reaction force, and because of that, rotation is being produced. So for rotation to be produced, a couple of forces is always required. Okay, couple of forces are there, but the turning effect is because of only external force. This is clear. Okay, and these two forces should not act along the same line of action. Then only we have the couple. Okay, you have seen the couple as well. Okay, so for example, this spanner you have seen. For example, to loosen the nuts of a car tire we have to loosen. Okay, if you use a single spanner, it will require more force to open it. Yes or no? It will require more force to open it. As well, this length gives problem. So use such a spanner. One force you apply. See here, this is there. For example, one force you apply in this direction, other force you apply in this direction. Yes or no? So this forms a couple. This forms a couple, and we will see how it produces more turning effect. We'll see by solving. Okay, by mathematically we'll see how it produces more turning effect. One force is applied in here, other force on the other end, and we turn it. Okay, so both the forces are equal in magnitude. Both the forces are equal in magnitude. They are opposite direction, one in here, one in this direction, other in this direction. They are opposite to each other. As well, they do not act along the same line of force. They are not acting along the same line. Its line of action is this one. Its line of action is this one. They are having different line of action. They do not act, so they form a couple. Okay. You have seen many examples. Okay. This one you have seen, step.
Yes,
Yes or no? Either you,
So
if you apply,
from
Yes,
where
sir.
you are getting all these?
I have all these things. I work on them. Okay. So you can turn it.
Sir, plumber.
Experiments. Sir, experiments.
Yes, I do the plumbing also. Okay. So you can apply force here. Will it make it to move? No. But if you apply force couple, that is force on this side here as well. So when you open it like this, see you are applying force here as well and here as well. Yes or no? Here as well and like this as well. Okay.
Sir, we can do from
Yes.
one also. Sir, one also we can do.
Try it. Try with this one. These I have removed. That's why only they are not good in quality. They doesn't work good. So all I have
Sir,
removed. All one I have removed.
Sir, I will put all force with
Here,
thumb
how
only
much
then.
force is required? Even those used to break. So these all steps I have removed.
Sir,
So I
from
have
where
them
you are
correct.
bringing this all the things, sir, all the tools and all the
They
things?
are at home. I have lot many tools and machines at home. So I can, as
Sir,
we require
You
in this
have
chapter,
wire
I
melter,
show that. Okay, as we
wire
require
melter.
wire
Sir,
melter,
cross galvanometer.
galvanometer, those all things I don't have. Those are in school.
Sir, you have wire melter.
Wire melter I don't require. I can use the, till now I don't require. Okay, this is clear. So as we move in the chapter, I'll
Excuse
try-
me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in that part, I didn't understand how the torque was 0.
Okay, how the torque was 0. Okay, what is the definition of torque? Okay, mathematical formula for turning effect.
Sir, magnitude of force into the perpendicular distance.
Okay, if any of them is 0, then torque will be
0.
0. Okay, that means you haven't paid attention in class. I told it 2 or 3 times. This is the line of action force applied. Okay, because of this force, this is external force. Here, one force is generated. Reaction force is generated. This is reaction force, equal and opposite. Because turning will take place when these two forces are there, equal and opposite. Okay, what is the turning effect? Because of external force, there will be some value, F into D. Okay, what will be the turning effect because of this reaction force? What is the distance here for reaction force? The perpendicular distance between the line of action and the point. It is 0. You can say it is up. Reaction force is at the pivot point only. It's 0. So turning effect is how much? 0. Yes or no? Distance is 0. Therefore, turning effect is 0. And because of that, we haven't discussed it. We don't require, because when we discuss turning effect, we don't talk of reaction force because turning effect created by it is 0. So why should we go for that? Okay. That's why we avoided this discussion when we discuss the moment of force. Okay. But when we discuss the forces, they are forces. And this is nothing but couple of forces, equal and opposite forces, acting along the different line of forces, different line of action. They're acting along the different line of action. This is clear? Okay. Now we measure the moment of,
sir.
okay. Any more doubts you have to ask? Anyone who haven't understood or haven't paid the attention in class, they can ask.
We will watch video.
Video may not help much.
Your calories, sir.
Okay. So now we will be moment of couple. We'll be discussing moment of couple. Okay. See here we have discussed. For example, this is there. Take it as a tap top of the tap. Okay. So one force is applied in this direction, other force in there. Book how they have applied. Okay. This one down they have applied, and this one they have applied upward. Okay. This is clear. Okay. If I apply force only at the one end, this will be the turning effect or not? F into this distance only. Okay. Now I'm applying two forces, one in this direction, one in this direction. Okay. They are equal and opposite. What they are? These two forces. These two forces are equal and opposite. Yes or no? These are equal and opposite as well. Okay. Are they acting along the same line of action?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
If they act along the same line of action, they will cancel each other. Okay. They will cancel each other. Similarly, we will discuss in Newton's third law. That is, action and reaction forces, they act on different bodies. That's why they do not cancel each other. That is, net force is zero, is not there. Okay. So they are not acting along the same line of action. So they form a couple. They are forming a couple. So what is the turning effect for this force? What is the turning effect force? Okay, A, O, B. So what is the turning effect at end B? At end A calculate first. What is the turning effect or moment of force?
Force into OA.
Moment of force. Force into OA. Okay. What will be the moment of force at B end? It is end A and B. What will be the moment of force at end B?
F into OB.
Force
F
to
into
OB.
OB. Okay. These are the this and this moment, this and this moment. What
Sir,
will be the
OB, not
total
OA.
OB?
Written OA only.
OB. Okay. So what will be the total moment of couple? That is both the forces. What will be the total moment because of the couple?
4 into OA
Force
plus 4 into.
We have to add them.
OA
That will be total moment. As well, you can see which direction it is. Anti-clockwise. Which direction it is? Anti-clockwise. So they will add them. We have to add them. They will both will be positive. F into OA plus F into OB. Common take F. OA plus OB. This distance is AB. F into AB. You can see AB. Any of the force we took, either the force we can take because both are equal. Because both are equal into AB. AB, distance between the two forces. Distance between the two forces. Or this distance is called as couple arm as well. This distance AB, it is called as couple arm. COUPLE, couple arm. Arm of the couple. Okay. Understood now? You can see moment of couple is increased now when you apply two forces, that is couple of forces applied at the two ends. You can see if single force, this will be the moment of, because of this distance only moment of, but two forces, this moment of force. Either of the forces multiplied with the distance between the couple forces. This is clear? Is this clear? Okay. So equilibrium is remaining. That we can discuss tomorrow. Okay. And don't worry about the, thank you, lab manual. Okay.